Good morning, students. I am Engineer Ajay. Welcome all of you in digital classes provided by Rajasthan Academy Churu for preparation of entrance exam of Sainik School, Military School, Navodaya Vidyalaya, Rai Sports School and RIMC. Students, it's class of reasoning and our topic is logical Venn diagrams. In last two classes we have studied about the basic of Venn diagrams, and now we will start the questions of Venn diagrams. In these questions we have also identified the different type of relations in elements. Means these questions are based on different types of relations between elements and things. Let's start. The question for it is identify the Venn diagram that best represents the relationship among the classes given below. It is a common question for all. Identify the Venn diagram that best represents the relationship among classes given below. Okay, let's start. Question number first. Question number first is we have to draw the Venn diagram. Name of give elements are given as mammal, dog and sparrow. We have to draw the Venn diagram for the given mammal, dog and sparrow. Okay. So first of all, the all elements or things are drawn in a circle. Then so here is dog. It is the circle for dog and it is the circle for sparrow. Both are the different things. Dog are different and sparrow are different. These are not related to each other. And now the mammals. Now the mammals are in the category. The dogs are in the category of mammals. So dogs will be in the mammals. But the sparrow is not in the category of mammal. So the Venn diagram will be like this. Here is sparrow, here is dog, and dogs are in the mammals. But sparrow is not a mammal. Okay. Now the second question is question number 2. Soda, water. Second is mineral water and third is liquid. And we have to draw the Venn diagram for all these three things. So let's start. Soda water, mineral water and liquid. So let's see. Here is soda water. This circle for soda water. And soda water and mineral water are different things. So these will be not related to each other. Here is mineral water. Okay. Here is soda water and here is mineral water. and these are not related to each other. Okay, now the next is liquid. Both the soda water and mineral water are in the category of liquid, so these will in the liquid. It is best representation for soda water, mineral water and liquid. Soda water and mineral water are different from each other, so the diagram will be like this, and these both are waters and the category of both are liquid, so the both are in the liquid. So it is representation for soda water, mineral water and liquid. Now we see the next question. Next question is for question number 3rd. Currency rupee and dollar. We have to draw the diagram for currency, rupee and dollar. So let's start. First of all, rupees and dollar are different from each other, so the diagram for rupees and dollar is, here is circle for rupees and here is circle for dollar. These are different from each other. Okay, then the circles will be, now these both are, rupees and dollars are currencies, and then it will be in the currency. Okay, so it is the Venn diagram for dollar, rupee and currency. Because rupee and dollar are both are currencies, but rupees and dollar are different from each other. So here is rupees, here is dollar, and both are currencies, then both will be in the currency. So it is representation for currency, rupees and dollar. Now we start next question. The question number 4. Elephants, wolves and animals. Okay, we have to draw the Venn diagram for elephants, wolves and animals. Let's start. Elephants and wolves are different from each other, so the Venn diagram for elephants and here is the Venn diagram for wolves. Elephants and wolves are different from each other, so the Venn diagram will be like this, and both are in the category of animals, then the elephants and wolves will be in the animals. Okay, then it is the Venn diagram for elephants, wolves and animals. Okay, elephants and wolves are different from each other, so we will represent like this. Now the both are in the category of animals, then elephant's walls will be in the animals. Okay, I hope you got it. Now the next question is, we will start the next question. Next question is question number 5. In question number 5, we have to represent in Venn diagram granite, tree, water. Okay, so we have to represent in Venn diagram granite, water and tree. So it will be for granite, and granite and tree are different from each other. So here is tree, and tree and water are different from each other, and granite and water are also different from each other. So it will be here water, and all of three are not combined with each other because all are different from each other. So the Venn diagram will be like this. Okay, got it? Because the granite is different from tree, so here will be granite and here tree, and tree and water are different from each other. So the Venn diagram is like this, and granite and water are also different from each other. So the Venn diagram will be like this. We can draw the water here also, but these three are not in combined with each other. Okay, it is the important thing. Now the question number 6. India, Sri Lanka and country. We have to draw the Venn diagram for India, Sri Lanka and country. Let's see. Here is India, and India and Sri Lanka are different countries, so these will be in different circles. Okay, and both are in the category of country, so both will be in the country. Okay, it is the best representation for India, Sri Lanka and country. Okay, question number 6. India and Sri Lanka are different countries, then this both are represented like this, and both are in category of country, so both will be in the country. So I hope you got it. Please note down it in your notebook and practice it. We will continue it in next class. Okay, thank you.